Okay, we have a Hardinge HCAT precision chucking lathe. Serial number HC1601-E. It's new in 1967. It's the AT, so it has the automatic threading attachment.
It has some tools there.
We have some tools.
The back.
Yep.
Here. And they got threading chasers.
Thread chasers, which we showed in the photos before. And we have some
Stuff there, some collet here.
Some collets here.
And some other stuff.
Some miscellaneous stuff. The bar that goes to the spindle, I believe that's for a pusher. Okay, we're gonna run it for you. We're running right now. By the way, what's interesting about this machine is that it's got the tapered spindle nose we're feeding right now. Is variable. You'll see it speed up and slow down, reverse, slow down. Okay, speed up. And also the longitudinal. Same, there you go. Okay. The bed is nice and clean. There's not any scoring on it. Changing direction, going the other way. And we're gonna run some different speeds, I guess. He's speeding up. You can see here when it goes up and down. Okay, that's by moving the handle there. You have different ranges too. Okay. Reverse. All right. I guess stop the spindle so you can take a look at that. And that's your spindle.
220 volt.
220 volt. This is your electrical cabinet. All nicey nice.
Coolant pump.
Coolant pump in the back. That's your air regulator for your truck, for the threading.
It's 220 volt.
220 volts. And I will shoot the serial number last for you. And we are good. Hey, thank you for watching our video.